Welcome to a world of financial empowerment with our calculator. Whether you're just embarking on your financial journey or seeking to refine your strategy, our calculator is your key to unlocking personalized investment insights. Navigate between the two options. I know my goal for those with a clear objective and future potential balance if you are exploring the possibilities. If you have set goals, you should enter details such as the amount of your target, the initial investment, how much time you plan to invest, and the average annual return. It's all about making your aspirations tangible. Values with a closed lock icon will remain as entered. Values with an open lock icon will be adjusted by pressing Calculate to reach your goal. And if you're still defining your objectives, Future Potential Balance is here to help. It estimates how your investments could grow, guiding you in setting realistic financial goals. Input your details. Whether it's an amount you can comfortably invest today or a dream you're working towards, every piece of information helps in tailoring a plan just for you. Watch as your potential financial future unfolds before your eyes. Our dynamic visualizations offer clarity on how your investments could grow, giving you the power to make informed decisions. Remember, the path to financial success isn't static. Adjust your inputs, explore different scenarios, and see how changes can impact your goals. It's all about finding the perfect balance for your unique journey. Your financial peace of mind is within reach.